Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best window AC. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Windmill Window AC. If you're looking to cool a smaller space, think about 250 square feet, and want a unit you can control with an app or smart home device, look to this energy-efficient unit from Windmill that Berkson calls a solid choice. That's true for multiple reasons, the first being an affordable price tag. Second, it comes pre-assembled and ready for quick and easy installation. It can be fitted into windows with a mere 22-inch width and 13-inch opening height. And third, with 3 fan speeds, it can operate as quietly as 49 dB. Number 7 in my list is LG 7500 BTU Window AC. This unit not only cools your 320 square foot space, it can warm it as well. The 4-way directional air circulation spreads air or heat quickly, and at a 49 decibel operating volume, it does so quietly. This air conditioner heater can be fit into a window opening measuring 22 inches across and just 14 inches tall, making it a great choice for apartment dwellers or for use in a bedroom or office with small windows. To note, it's pretty heavy for a smaller unit at 66 pounds, but it's also durable and reliable. Super Cool NYC's Berkson trusts LG because the brand has invested in research and development with their units, and because the customer service is excellent. Number 6 in my list is LG Window AC. This smart AC unit, which can be connected to your home's Wi-Fi, is ideal for 450 square feet spaces. It runs at a pleasantly quiet 58 dB, but when it's in sleep mode, it goes down to 44, about the amount of noise you'll hear in a quiet library. Rent an AC's Jess Mastro says, LG makes air conditioners with excellent efficiency and noise control. That's thanks to dual inverter technology that uses twin rotors to blow out compressed air instead of a single fan. You can control the unit via an app or with your voice when it's paired with a smart home device. It has 4 fan speed settings, and the dual inverter technology also helps it waste less energy. Number 5 in my list is GE Profile Window AC. The 10002 GE Profile Clearview P8T10cc is an Energy Star certified inverter AC that's big enough to fill a room up to 450 square feet, and it takes up only about 4 inches of window space. Instead of balancing precariously on top of the sill, this N-shaped model hangs down over the wall, leaving the window above it completely free to use. The AC does stick out into the room, about 9 inches, and you might need help lifting it over the windowsill. Number 4 in my list is Frigidaire Gallery Window AC. The Frigidaire Gallery is an inverter-style AC that's slightly louder than our top pick, but it's still essentially unnoticeable in a room, unless the fan is on high. Compared with other air conditioners we've tested, this one provides more impressive cooling consistency across the room. The LED display on the control panel shuts off automatically after a few seconds. That's good when you're sleeping, but annoying when you want to check the settings. And the smart home app can be a little glitchy at times. But in spite of the flaws, this AC is among the best models available. Number 3 in my list is Windmill Smart Window AC. The Windmill AC with WhisperTech is one of the nicest looking air conditioners we've ever tested, with rounded corners and subtle indicator lights that won't keep you up at night. It was also the easiest to install, with a pre-installed frame that fits right in the window and a stylish plastic cover over the back, so you don't cut your hands on those razor-sharp exhaust fins. You can even add a custom color panel to the front grille. And it has an inverter compressor, which means it's just as efficient as our top pick and almost as quiet. Number 2 in my list is Frigidaire Window AC. Since 2014, we've recommended the Frigidaire FHWW0 83WBE, or one of its nearly identical predecessors, as a reliable and affordable option for a basic window air conditioner. It's quieter than most other non-inverter ACs, and it cools the room quickly and efficiently. Also, it typically costs less than our other picks while offering comparable performance and smart home capabilities. Number 1 in my list is Midea Window AC. The Midea is simply the quietest air conditioner we've ever tested, but that's not the only reason it stands out. The smart home compatible, Energy Star certified unit has an inverter compressor, so it uses about half as much energy as a non-inverter AC. And this model has a unique U-shaped design that allows you to continue opening and closing your window. By contrast, traditional air conditioners typically lock your whole window in a closed position. But there's a catch. The installation process is notably frustrating compared with that of other air conditioners. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.